My name's David Vaughan and I'm on the Business BA degree course at Brecon College.
My name's Megan. I'm studying Business and Law Level 3 in Brecon College.
Hi, my name's Michelle and I'm currently studying the Year 3 of the BA Business Management and IT degree course at Brecon College.
So my name is Kaiste and I am on my final year of BA Business Managing and IT degree.
It's a fun, relaxed working environment and I've got good lecturers that support me through it all.
I've enjoyed the law and marketing, which I wasn't expecting to enjoy as much, and I also enjoy socialising and seeing my friends every day.
I've enjoyed all aspects of the course throughout the whole 3 years I've been on it. It's great learning, it's great feedback from the tutors, and just everything, it's really, really good.
Well, I enjoyed everything from marketing side to project management. It's a mixture of everything, and I think all gave it to me different experience.
I started doing high school. I did schooling 2 years. That's 1 day a week for 2 years, and then I did level 3, which was full time for 2 years, and then I came on to the degree course where I am now. I'm second year degree course, which next year I plan to graduate.
Well, I got recommended by a few friends, and I also did a course in Merthyr College in hairdressing, but I decided I didn't want to do that when I was older, so I thought this would give me a better stepping stone to go to uni or so on.
I've got 2 small children, and it was just a great opportunity to come and do a degree, and it is here on my doorstep because I live in Brecon.
Well, I moved to Wales 8 years ago, and my English wasn't very good whatsoever, and it took me 5 years to be comfortable to start degree, and my ex-boss actually pushed me. He said, "You've got really good business brains, you need to do this degree, it will open more doors for you." So, and I did, and I feel so proud of myself where I come, and yeah, I think it's an amazing thing.
I have a quail business, so I was finding a niche in the market around this area, and I took it on, the actual quail business. I needed a lot of support, so my lecturers supported me with marketing and how about starting a business and going about doing that. As well as that, they take me to a lot of business events down in Cardiff, down in North Wales, where I've won business awards for the college. I've taught from the Welsh Government, and I've gone to many events.
Really, really good. They help us if, for instance, I can't come in because I'm home with the children, then we can reschedule. If I need help with anything, any of my work, then they're always there. They're really good. They give you really a lot of support. I graduate now in July, so hopefully I will go on to do a PGCE, or I will go into a business analysis role or project management from my degree.
It's a university course, but it works around my time. At the same time, I can actually start my own business. And with great support and great, college itself, it's just, I love it.
Yeah, I would really recommend the course because you can make a lot of friends, learn a lot, and it will set you up for your future career.
I'd recommend anybody to come here and study. It's really good.
Yeah, of course, I would recommend to anyone because it's an amazing opportunity to study at Glasgow University from Brecon campus, like on your doorstep. It's a great chance for somebody who are working or are like a mature student as I am, so I can comply these 2 things with work and studying. Our tutors are just absolutely amazing because they share not just academic skills, but they always give examples of real business life experience, so I learn from them a lot.